going? And today we're going to go over how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog from the Sonic series. So let's get started, okay? Going to make it easy and basically easy to follow. So let's do it. So I'm going to go over here and we're going to start with we always start this with Sonic and Shadow. Curve right here. That kind of just simple curve. And that's going to be like the between his eyes right there. Let me put this a little bit thicker just because that other marker was not doing that great. We're going to pull up this direction over here, up over here, and then we're going to curve back downward like right here, okay? We're going to take it step by step. Like I said, I really meant it. It's for beginners. Going to go over here now, and I'm going to pull the line upward. Over here, pull it upward. And then curve it back just a bit. We are going to go from here to here to catch the edge of his eyeball on this side. So it's going to go from here to here, right here, like so. And now what we're going to do from here is we're going to draw kind of like a hump shape, a bump right here. So we're going to pull curve up, down, back. We're going to find the nose right here. By the way, don't forget, hit the like button if you like this slow, methodical way of going about the drawing, you know? I'm trying to make it slower and for basically understandable for everybody. I'm going to start over here and I'm going to pull outward, curve down, in. Maybe a little bit bigger. And then we're going to fill it in. Maybe leave a little bit right there for the highlight. Going to go over here on this side. I'm going to draw a curve over here, just a small curve, edge of the mouth. Curve on like lengthy line over here. It's a lengthy long curve underneath. And then over here along the side, curve along there. All right. Going to go over here now and draw like an angry mouth. So it's just going to be a line like so, an angry mouth. And then we're going to draw like a U shape right here for the eye. There. And then the other one is going to be a little bit behind the eye there. It's going to be behind. Dot in the center, dot in the center. And then right in the center right here, we're going to curve line there to kind of make that, you know, obvious that that's kind of a furrowing brow. Let's start over here now. At the top, we're going to draw a straight line like so under there. That's going to be for his ear, inner ear. And I'm going to pull up, down in a triangle shape. I'm going to coat the top of that right here with a triangle shape right there. And then we're going to pull back, down like so, okay? We're going to go up, down, because the spike's going to go back. Up, down. Over here on this side, we're going to do a matching triangle on that far end. So I'm going to start over here, go outward, in, okay? Outward, in, like so. All right, let's go over here on this side, pulling down, up. Over here, that's the difference between Shadow and Sonic, is his bottom spikes are aimed upward. Down, in. Let's pull it in a little bit more. Down, up. Pull out over here. Right on. Let's go over here to the chest area. He has this like little fuzzy thing on his chest. So we're going to go line, line, line. Maybe like a little flower there. Line, line, line on the other side. And then we're going to pull straight down and they're going to meet. Curve underneath. Over here now. Line for his arm. And he's got noodly arms, okay? So we're going to draw a line right there and then another line right there for that skinny arm. box shape, edge of a box shape like there. Don't forget, by the way, if you want to learn how to draw something cute, go check out the cute drawing ebook in the description, basically. So like if you want to turn your cat or dog or your friend or anything you want, maybe a cartoon character you already like, turn that into a very cartoony, cute design. I give you the whole layout for that, basically. It is literally laid out for you step by step, and it gives you a kind of an ebook that you can download at any point. So go take a look at that. You can have it on your screen or you can literally print it out, but it's your #1 guide to anything cute, and it's only 10 pages, no writing, and 100% free, by the way. I don't know if I said that, but get it now because it's in the description, and I don't know if it's going to be free forever. I'm probably going to start charging for it later. So let's go back here now, start back in for the back spikes, and then we're going to pull a line out over here for his leg. His leg is the same thing. His leg is just tubes. Pull a line in here. Let's go over here for the hand. Curve. Out over here. Down. Pulling in. Down over here. Curve, curve. Like so. This is going to be his fist, right? Draw a curve line over here on this side. Continue around the entire other side of the fist. Over here, down. And now we're going to draw the separations in the fingers, right? This isn't knuckles, so curve, curve, maybe a line right there. Right on. Almost done, by the way. Stay with me, okay? Out, down. He's got, like I said, that skinny leg. Line over here, down. Line over here. And now we're going to go into the shoes. We're going to simplify the shoes, okay? So maybe about this point, we're going to have his leg go out there. So let's simplify these shoes. Top of a square, down. Top of a square over here, down. Line across and another line across. It's going to be a ring wrapped around his ankle. We're going to pull a line down, in, like an L shape, a backwards L. Line out. Bump, pull back, up. And then we're going to go over here, same kind of mirrored shape as the front of the shoe there. Curve down. And we're going to draw a line, and fill this in dark. That middle portion, that separation is really important. Now let's go over here and draw his shoe facing forward. This one should be easier. We're going to pull a line down, pull in, underneath, curve above, down, right here. Same thing. We got that kind of separate over there. We're barely going to see it, to be honest. And then another curve, and then we're going to lay like a circle. I don't know what that is under there. And then lastly, we're going to draw a line out on the far end, for his hand facing away. Curve over here for the wrist. And then we're going to have his hand just kind of go out right there. You always want to kind of combine those other digits. We're almost done. Don't worry. Right here. Curve. And then the opposing thumb. Line over here. And then we're going to split that hand on the far side. Let's go into his colors right here, okay? So on the top right here, we're going to draw a curve line over there because he's got this kind of eyeliner thing above his eye. That's a distinct thing with shadow. Go over here on this side, pulling down, up. It's going to be a red portion up there. Line over here for that red portion right there. And I forgot his tail. So, well, I guess that could be his tail, but you know what? I think that's not long enough. And that is it. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. Share the video if you can, and I want you to stay here for the next drawing lesson because we're about to go over another drawing lesson together, okay? Let's get started on the next drawing lesson. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.